Good morning, children, all of you. How are you? We are very unfortunately for the 3 months, all of you suffering from COVID. In this pandemic situation, we need to importance of our learning skills in different ways. In that part, we create a short PPT for 8th class to learn with our PPT program. Now, you should all follow this share screen. Here, we observe images. In this first image, we can observe a man digging is a process to form a canal. And in the second, a person lifting is with his hands a lift, weight lift. Like this, we perform so many activities in our daily life from the bedtime to night to morning to evening. In that way, we will follow some activities while we are coming to the school, lifting the hand school bag, take out the textbooks and insert the texts. In these all activities, we perform some force applied in these activities. In all these activities, we can observe push and pull, and all the persons should show an effort on their activities. For example, cycling. Generally, while we are doing cycling, one pedal is pushing down, then the other one is comes out. Next, pushing down. Through each and every activity we can observe by pushing and pulling. From these activities, we applied force we can learn. Next, what is actually, how can we define as force? Next, due to all these activities, we can perform force. What is force? Actions like picking, squeezing, throwing, etc. are observing in our daily life. All actions come under two major concepts, push and pull. Totally, we can define in proper way. That is definition of force. We call the effort done on an object by means of pushing or pulling is called as force exerted on the object. While we are some amount of force applied on an object, then it moves or change its shape. From this, we can observe that the situation is changed, and also the force is directly cannot be seen. And also, according to the characteristics of force, we can define as two types of forces. One is contact force and field forces or forces at a distance. For example, how can we define as contact force? In the main concept in the contact force is physical contact between two objects while we are doing that work. if there is a direct physical contact in between the interacting objects known as contact force. For example, we bring a chair. When we touching the chair by our hand, then there is between chair and our hand physical contact is there. That type of forces are called contact force. Next one, field force, or that is called as a force at a distance. For example, we know very well magnets are playing in the primary classes. In this magnet surrounding some distance, its power is having. That type of forces are called field force. What is the difference between mainly contact and field forces? Are physical contact is no, or there is no physical contact between two objects known as force at a distance. Next, field forces again be classified into three types. One is magnetic force, electrostatic force, gravitational force, which we are well noted in these magnetic force and gravitational force. But electrostatic force is new to you in our 8th class. For example, in detail we discuss about the field forces. Magnetic force. By a small activity, we can perform magnetic force. In magnetic force is all three directions having. For example, we take a bar magnet, put it on paper, and drop the iron fuel, iron powder, and touch it the paper. This type of shape we can perform. How can it is formed? Due to this bar magnet. From this activity, we can observe that magnetic force is there is no contact between iron powder and magnet. So this is magnetic force. Next, electrostatic force. Generally, electrostatic force is formed by two charged bodies when we are rubbing. Then these two bodies having some charges. One is positive, another one is negative. While we are close to near each other, then electrostatic force is formed. The type of forces are called electrostatic force. Here we can observe one activity. The surface of the cat attracted by a small pieces of papers. How it is possible? The wool, nothing but here cat, nothing but wool. In the same way, we can also perform an activity to understand the electrostatic force. For example, we take a pencil or any comb, rub with silk cloth and close to near the small peppers or sand, lightweight papers. Then these are attracted by the pencil or comb. How can it is performed? Due to the electrostatic force. Next, one more one more field force is well-known gravitational force. We know all gravitation means Earth should have gravitation force. This gravitation force, due to this gravitation force, our Earth is revolving around the sun. That means, and also our Earth should have gravitation. How can we know this gravitation force? Means the upward objects from the Earth which pulls down to the ground. We know that every object thrown upward, the fall down due to the gravitational force. These are activities also no physical contact. So these forces are called gravitational force. Next, contact forces. Again, we perform contact forces are three types: muscular force, force of friction, normal force, tension. Muscular force are we will familiar with this force. Why? Because in our daily activities performed by these muscular forces. Without muscular force, we can't lift weights and move one place to another place. This type of whatever we perform, these are all comes under these muscular forces. Next, force of friction. This is also new to you in our 8th class. How can we perform this? Know the friction force means this is also very important to in our daily life. Why? Because, for example, we are playing with a ball on the ground. After some time, we roll the ball. It comes to rest. How it is performed means there is a exert a force on the surface of the ball to the ground surface. So that force is called friction. And due to this frictional force, the ball will comes to rest. Like this, frictional force is need to in our daily life also. Why? Because we are writing and moving, stand. Even the simple example, we can stand able to stand on the floor is also due to the friction. Otherwise, we can't slip in. There is a frictional force affected on our foot and between Earth's ground. From these activities, we can define as frictional force is oppose the two surfaces. Next, normal force. Normal force is works opposite to the gravitational force. For example, we stand examples. We just see the textbook on the ground table. When we are putting the textbook on the table, that textbook not fall down due to the table. Otherwise, fall down. How it is possible? The table applies some force on the textbook. When we remove the table, textbook falls down. This force is called normal force. Always normal force is acts opposite to the gravitational force. Next, we know very well tension and tension word. This force is very familiar with our real life. Why? Because we are everywhere feel tension. School bell timings in the sense of sign timings, and also some work tension. In all these things, what is the means of tension? It is a stress. This tension is also we can understood by perform one activity. For example, take a string and suspended with the ceiling. Then how it is moving. Next, we attach with some weight to that string. What is the position in the string? These differences we can observe the tension. The weight nothing not fall down the by gravitational force. Due to this weight is bring attached with the string. The position in the string in the before the case in present case is we can understand the tension. Is also a force. Tension is also a force opposes the against to the gravitational force. These four types of forces are contact forces. Next, force is totally two types of characteristics: contact forces and field forces. Next, further, next video we will see. Thank you.
Topic